सीएम योगी आदित्यनाथ को आप देख रहे हैं। तस्वीरें लखनऊ से आ रही हैं। CSIR स्टार्टअप कॉन्क्लेव 2025 जिसका आयोजन किया गया है, मंच की ये तस्वीरें आपको दिखाई जा रही हैं।
Also now like to request Dr. Ramesh Kumar Srivastava, Senior Principal Scientist and Head BDC from CSIR CMAP, and Mrs. Priya Ojha, Director from Petal Drift, Lucknow, to exchange the licensing agreement for the technology of pain relieving aromatherapy oil Relaxo-MAP. I would like to request Dr. Manish Bihar, again Principal Scientist from CSIR NBRI, and Mr. Umang Goyal from Sri Ganesha Global Gulal Private Limited, Raipur, to exchange the licensing agreement for the technology of a series of elite perfumes, namely Potus Rudra and Frontus Kumbh, and air freshener Protus Fresh. I would like to now invite some of those product launching, and for that, just be ready. I would like to request Dr. Manish Bihar, again Principal Scientist from CSIR NBR, and Mr. Umang Goyal and Anuj Goyal from Sri Ganesha Global Gulal Private Limited, Raipur, to launch the product of herbal liquid Sindoor developed by CSIR NBRI. The herbal liquid Sindoor developed by CSIR NBRI. These are product launches, ladies and gentlemen, happening between the different labs and the industry here. I would like to now request Dr. Manish Bihar, Principal Scientist from CSIR NBRI, and Mr. Anil Kumar from Ms. Ashwini Homeo and Ayurveda Private Limited, Hyderabad, to launch the product of herbal nano serum and microbial incubant developed by CSIR NBRI. I would like to request Dr. Manish Bihar, Principal Scientist from CSIR NBR, and Dr. Mr. Deepak Sharma, Country Head from Messrs. Imperial Life Sciences Limited, Gurugram, to launch the product of 120K SNP chip developed by CSIR NBRI. The next. समय कम है इसलिए जल्दी जल्दी नाम लेना जरूरी है. I would like to request Dr. Manish Bihar, Principal Scientist from CSIR NBRI, and Ms. Kirutika from Ms. Alpha Switchgear Private Limited, Erode, to launch the product of, and we would launch Pink Gold Tea भी CSIR NBRI द्वारा यहाँ पर एक प्रोडक्ट जो यहाँ लॉन्च किया जा रहा है. प्लांट वैरायटीज एंड वेब सर्वर रिलीज के लिए बुलाऊंगी CSIR CMAP, जिन्होंने डेवलप किया है रिलीज वाटर वैरायटी ऑफ कलमेघ वर्धन. आई इनवाइट डॉक्टर गुंजन तिवारी CSIR CMAP के लिए. आप सब लोग तैयार रहें क्योंकि समय बहुत कम है और हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इतना समय दिया. CSIR CMAP हैज डेवलप्ड एंड रिलीज्ड वैरायटी ऑफ पटचौली, अतिश्रेष्ठा एंड छन्या हिरेमत को मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी. CSIR CMAP रिलीज ऑन ऑनलाइन वेब सर्वर कम डेटाबेस फॉर CRISPR-Cas. इसके लिए डाटाबेस रिलीज है. इसके लिए इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी डॉक्टर आकांक्षा सिंह को एंड डॉक्टर अमन कौशिक को. और अब कुछ और एक्सचेंज ऑफ MOU एंड MOA है. CSIR IITR एक्सचेंज MOA with Ms. Cellure Biosciences Private Limited for advancing localized and controlled skin delivery system for biological and regenerative compounds, offering new hope in dermatology and anti-aging. And for that, invite Dr. Khulbe from IITR and Dr. Shilpa Reddy from Cellure Business. इसके बाद CSIR IITR exchange MOA with Ms. Humani Eco Innovations Private Limited for building a plant-based, chemical-free personal care and home wellness products that are safe, transparent and sustainable. Again, Dr. Khulbe को बुलाना चाहूँगी IITR से और Dr. Tuba Siddiqui from Humani Eco. और अब बारी है CSIR IITR exchange की MOA with Ms. Grivanam Genomics Private Limited for developing clinical diagnostic platform using bioinformatics tools for genomic and proteomic-based diagnostic applications that would assist in silico research in cancer, neurological disorders, and aqua informatics. Dr. Khulbe from IITR and Dr.